Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and waiting for bright and sunny summer. Today's March 28th, which means it's birthday of Ingvacollections, and we are so happy to share this happiness with you all. This day, 10 years ago, a jewelry making hobby turned into a business, and Princess Creations was born in India. When my family decided to move to Canada 5 years ago, in order to keep my passion alive, I started Princess Creation in Canada as well, but with a slight change in name, and Princess Creation was renamed as Ingvacollections. Why not? New city, new name, and more eco-conscious too. During this incredible journey, I have learned many skills, created several custom pieces of jewelry, home decor, accessories, and whatnot, you name it, and we made them for you. We made sure we create something for everyone on any occasion. Also, meeting all those amazing people have made us so happy, and all those motivating words from each one of you have always made us create new pieces of jewelry or artwork or any craft, keeping us motivated and also helping us push our boundaries. We have conducted several workshops introducing basic techniques of jewelry making and different forms of art, and made several people learn new techniques, the lost art form. We're happy to say that we have been able to share the knowledge we have acquired in these 10 years. In this video, I have tried my best to gather all those pictures of my creations, the people I have met during this journey, and also the motivating words from them. Not only these moments in the video, there are several other moments which I wish I had those pictures with me. Would like to take this opportunity to thank each one of you who supported me, guided me, and appreciated all my art pieces and helped me in my success. Looking forward to create many more wonderful pieces of art at Ingvacollections. Thanks again for being part of Ingvacollections. I hope you all will support me the way you had been.